Last section, we saw a single tool call. Model emits a call, app runs it, result comes back. One round trip. The agentic loop extends that. Instead of stopping after one call, you wrap it in a loop. Check that stop reason if it's a tool use, run the function, and feed the result back. If it's end turn, you are done. The model decides how many tools it needs and in what order. You define the tools. The model drives the sequence. That's powerful. But here's the catch. Every one of those tool connections had to be built from scratch. Claude's connection to GitHub looked nothing like GPT-4's connection to GitHub. Neither was reusable. Both had to be maintained separately. Put numbers on it. Say you have 10 AI models and 100 tools. Without a shared protocol, that's 10 times 100, 1,000 custom integrations to build and maintain. Every time a tool's API changes, multiple integrations break independently. The ecosystem was drowning in glue code. MCP collapses that. Instead of M times N, you get M plus N. Each AI implements MCP once as a client. Each tool implements MCP once as a server. Same numbers. 10 models, 100 tools, that's 110 implementations. Not 1,000. And any client talks to any server automatically. Think of it like USB. Before USB, every device had its own proprietary port. USB gave everyone one standard. Your keyboard works with any computer. MCP is that for AI and tools. That's the problem it was built to solve. Next, we'll look at exactly how it's structured.